Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. We are in the lovely Benidorm, as you can see, and the sun's out, so we're going to look for somewhere to have a nice cheap drink and enjoy the weather. So let's see what Guan, you all know the vibe. So we're in not in Old Town now, we're in the viewpoint, aren't we? We're going to go walk along Levante Beach.
Levante Beach.
Levante Beach.
Levante.
Hey! As you know, I'm the queen of pronunciation. So there's some really nice little bars here, so if you did want to have a drink here, it's like a little square. All of them are really busy.
Really busy at the moment. It's a nice little sun trap.
We're going to go along the beach and see if we can find ourselves a nice little cheap pint or glass of wine.
Or two.
Or two.
Yeah. Yeah, so let us know where you stay when you come to Benidorm. Do you stay where we are? This guy's backing up. No worries off to. Have a quick look over here for you guys. Little viewpoint. But yeah. Let's keep going. Yeah.
Nice stainless glass windows, is that just images? That's images, isn't it?
Yeah.
So pretty. Right, so we're going back into sort of the back roads, I guess you could call it. So
Old Town.
Old Town, yeah.
And then go take a right onto Levante Beach. So let's go.
So you find all your usual stuff here, all your souvenirs, and you know, I think it's the same anywhere you go, to be fair. You don't really get anything unique.
Oh, Sabrina once got a unique dress from Marbella.
I did, and I never saw it. No, it was Magaluf actually.
Again, she doesn't remember it's Marbella Old Town, but yeah.
Oh, that one, yes.
Ah, see?
I have, yes. Yes.
And then she saw it every single shot after that. You know, she thought she was getting something special.
I did think I was getting something special. But again, fashion here is quite cheap and affordable, so you do find yourself needing something. There is places you can get stuff.
Mass fashion.
Mass fashion, yes.
Oh.
€5 shop.
Yeah, little rub off on you. Give you funny coloured skin.
Your green skin. And go
Right, we're going to go right, because we're going around to Levante Beach. On the other videos, we'll do around Old Town in the afternoon, because we're going to go in Tapas Alley, have something to eat. So we're going to record all that for you guys. Big shout out to Mark and Judy. I think they've just reached over to Cyprus. They're enjoying their house, just got there.
Yeah, that's the Gypsy Souls.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's really nice when you're in the sun.
And there's no wind, yeah. The wind isn't too bad. It's like a fresh summer's day in England. Literally, it feels like a summer's day in England.
I don't leave the UK, and it was quite nice in the UK. For
Freezing cold. Absolutely freezing cold in the UK. So, Levante Beach.
Yeah. Very well known. This is the main promenade, the main beach. So if you come to Benidorm, this is where you should definitely go.
So yeah, all the bars, restaurants, everyone chilling out.
This is more like the open plan ones. As we get further down, you'll see it's more sort of like pubs. But it does have like outside seating that you can go in. So if you don't like the sun, you don't have to be in it.
Let's get around to these people. Here we go. So look, 2 cocktails for a tenner. And that's right there. What are you laughing about? That's really laughing about, eh? You know, when people don't listen and then they just laugh because they think you said something. That's what Sabrina does a lot. She doesn't listen.
It's always polite to her.
No, it's not. Actually, I could be saying something about really horrible and she'd just laugh. I'm just like, well, obviously you don't listen. But maybe that's a
woman thing.
someone's gonna say Sabrina thing, but she wants to blame you all. Bit strange. That's pretty misogynistic, isn't it? She thinks she's part of the manosphere.
Oh yeah.
Women are their problem.
Everyone can subscribe to my trading app, please.
Daily tips and tricks. Earn you lots and lots of money. So we'll come down to this bit here.
So again, the beach is really busy for this time of year. Really busy. But I do prefer where we just saw, so further up down where the viewpoint is. There's a beach down there which is a little bit more of a wind block.
Yeah.
But this is like the main beach. So
there's another beach if you go all the way over here, all the way round. Basically, it's a nudist beach, but there's no wind.
no.
Beautiful water. Loads of fish in the sea. It's really cool. So if you keep going up that road there, take you up to the old town. We're just outside the city
Yeah.
city bar that is.
Right,
So,
we
yeah.
are on a mission. We are looking for a cheap drink and somewhere we can sit.
It's not going to be long here.
So we've got the City Sports Bar.
Yeah. Which
It
you're
doesn't
doing.
look like there's anywhere to sit out the front, so we'll keep going. Again, it's really busy. And it is coming up for lunchtime, so I suppose everyone's sort of thinking about food. Okay, bit of a clothes store there. It's really run down. Something I'll say is sometimes when you come to these areas, like just a little bit of it's on the main promenade, a little liquor paint, a little bit of something.
It's just the sun destroys stuff.
Yeah.
So you got to keep maintenance every year. Our boy Vaz in Rhodes in Faliraki, he's just painted up his bar ready for the new year, added an extension onto the bar. He's added loads of stuff, but you'll see that we're out to see him very soon. In a couple of months we're going to see him.
So if you do go to Rhodes, Faliraki, do check him out.
Yeah, make sure you get down to Beach Boys. So Tiki Town, 2 cocktails, 1 Red Bull, €7. No, 2 vodkas and 1 Red Bull.
So yeah. Coffee with
$7.90. $7.90 for a breakfast.
Yeah, that's a lot.
Yeah.
We've got buffet at our hotel, so we just fill up.
I'm stuffed, really stuffed from breakfast. One of the best breakfasts I've ever had in a hotel before. Really, really good.
Restaurant, this one. And we've got the Guinness bar. We did go there yesterday. Not too bad. I think it was a £5 for
Guinness, yeah. Not bad.
few people waiting there.
Oh, sorry. KU. So yeah.
It's an outside space.
Plenty of it.
All these massive. This one looks more like apartments. But yeah, they are like. It's like being in London or something, isn't it? All the sky rises.
Pinza di Roma. Pinza di Roma. Looks very nice, isn't it? It scared me. The cop is driving down the road. Scared me. So yeah.
You go back towards see the rock there. It's in close to the head, isn't it? It's far away.
So you got Taco Bell and the Five Guys.
Yeah, this wasn't here the last time we came, the Five Guys.
It's 2 years ago though, so
Yeah.
literally 2 years to the date nearly. So
yeah.
this is like when we first ever did our.
YouTube journey, yeah, Alicante and Benidorm. So if you are watching,
He's got his TikTok in there. He's a little TikToker. Look at that.
there you go, guys. If you want to check him out. And yeah, so if you want to check our very, very early journey into YouTube, it is on the channel. Let's do it.
Where are we going, eh? Where are we going?
We've got Penelope Beach.
If you just like the bars on this part here are quite expensive, and if you go just off the main road, I know it's more closer to British Square, yeah, it's closer to there, but you're getting more beers, cheaper value. Hello, mate. How are you?
Always welcome you in
What's your
Penelope.
drink offers?
Yeah, we have also everything. We do drinks, coffee, cocktails.
Yeah.
Yes, we do drinks, coffee, cocktails here for you. So we have an offer right now, 2 pints only €6. We have a rooftop terrace.
Oh, nice. There you go. Rooftop terrace and 2 beers for
2 beers, €5 in bottles, and 2 pints, tap pints, only €6.
6 years. Come on then, let's go and have one then. He invited me in.
€50 for you.
Oh, he's a lovely man. Come on then.
Thank you. So this is Penelope
welcome
Beach
here.
Club.
Come on then, let's go and get a beer. Let's go to the roof.
Clear the way, clear the way, and Lord God.
Just come up to the roof terrace. Have a quick look over. So you can see the run. It's the Five Guys. Yeah, beautiful view. Let's go on this side quickly. Show the view over here. You right? It's a beautiful day today. Got a bit of a wind block up here. There we go. So, yeah, it's 2 beers. There's 2 amp sales for €6. Not too bad. We had 2 amp sales yesterday outside. I can't remember the name of the bar, but it was only €3.50. Check out over here. Yeah, €3.50. And yeah, can't really beat those prices. Hi guys, well, thanks for watching. We're here. We're having our first beer for the day, so cheers, Sabrina.
Cheers. Cheers,
And yeah,
guys.
cheers to you guys. Oh, really bubbly. But yeah, thanks for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, hype up the videos, share them with your family and friends, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.